Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about NPA, Cure to the Health of Public Sector Banks of India.
Firstly, let us see now about what NPA stand for. The NPA stand for non-performing assets. These are those assets which do not yield any income or keys to generate income from abroad.
There are four categories of NPA. First is standard assets. They are NPAs that have been past due from 90 days to 12 months with a normal risk level. Second is substandard assets. They are NPAs that have been past due for more than 12 months with a significantly higher risk level. Third is doubtful assets. These are those assets which are considered as non-performing for a period of more than 18 months. Fourth is loss assets, which means assets which cannot be recovered at all.
Moving on to the reason for rise in NPA are economic slowdown, relaxed lending norms, lack of contingency planning and operational factors. Now, let us see the impact of NPAs. First, lenders suffer a lowering of profit margins. Second, stress in banking sector causes less money available to fund other projects, therefore negative impact on the large national economy. Third, higher interest rates by the bank to maintain the profit margin. Fourth, redirecting funds from the good projects to the bad ones. Fifth, and this investment got stuck, it may result in unemployment. Sixth, loss of credibility as high NPA reflect poorly on management.
Indian banks are pursuing variety of strategies to control NPAs, which can be classified under two broad categories: preventive management and curative management.
So let's talk about the pre-pandemic situation of NPA. Just before the onset of the pandemic, NPAs of bank had begun to show the early signs of improvement, falling from 9.3% in March 2019 to 9% in March 2020. But the situation changed after the pandemic hit the economy. The RBI estimated that NPAs are likely to go up to 14.7% by March 2021 in severe stress conditions, with 12.5% as the baseline scenario.
Now let us move to the post-pandemic situation of NPA. Amid the economic crisis triggered by the COVID-19 pandemic, the expected surge in non-performing assets and its potential impact on the fragile capital base of banks is alarming. The inevitable fear of a spike in NPAs after the end of moratorium on loan repayment, additional provisions against rising NPAs, diminishing profitability, and other adversities have added to the already low risk appetite of banks, leading to subdued credit growth.
So in GIST, we can say that profitability of banks is dependent on the successful repayment of loans. The quantum of these NPAs as a percentage of its interest income is used to measure a bank's health.
Thank you everyone for watching this video.